I just did my 13th at-home microneedling treatment with Cure, and let me tell you, I will be doing this for life, and without question, this is the product I have sold most to my friends, not by me telling them about it, but by them asking me about my skin. My skin is selling this product because it really works. And in this video, I want to show you what Cure's microinfusion system is all about. Let's get into it. Now, Cure gifted me the first 2 kits of this, and I loved it so much. I did just buy myself this kit, and I cannot get over how amazing it is. I've already opened up the micro infusion bottle. This is just a glass bottle. And then you pour in one of these serums. I go for the rejuvenating serums because these have growth factors in them, and the idea of microneedling growth factors into my face makes me so happy, as I know how incredibly potent those ingredients are. And I know with aging that working on my dark spots and evening out my complexion is going to make me look younger faster. Now, maybe in a year here, I'll switch over to the Fine Lines and Wrinkles serum. They are both fantastic serums. You can use one different one every 2 weeks. Some people mix the serums, or you can just commit to one for a while and then switch to the other one. And on top of that, it isn't just about the serum getting pushed into your skin and really making an impact by going into the epidermal layer. It's also about the microneedling itself. And this is my favorite part. The microneedle tops come in their own sterile containers. And this is fantastic since this is an at-home treatment to make sure that the entire process is sterile. So you don't want to open this up until your hands are clean. This vial has been, of course, like I said, super cleaned. I like to use rubbing alcohol. You've added in the serum, and then you open this up and twist on these microneedles. Now, these are 24 karat gold plated 0.5 millimeter microneedles. And I know many people are afraid that they hurt. They don't hurt at all. Yes, if you do it multiple times over some spots, it might feel a little stingy. You may feel a little sensitive, but it's really not painful, and you are in control. So if there's an area of your face that you don't want to do it on, just don't do it in that area. And if you want to go harder and pay attention to your skin. When I first started out, I only did 1 round on my face, and I was really careful. Now I go over my face 3 times, and I go really hard, as near as I can under my eyes, really getting this area, my smile lines, and I go for all my dark spots multiple times. I even have started doing my neck, and I am seeing such a difference. I just did all of this last night, so my skin is glowing from it already. I don't have any makeup on. I haven't done anything, and this is my skin today. This is about 18 hours since I did it. And when I did it last night, I actually knew that I was going out with a friend for drinks 2 hours after I did my session, and my friend was raving about me doing this. I'm not kidding. She asked me for more details. She really wanted to do what I'm doing. So you do see immediate results. You're going to see it a few hours after. The redness goes down very quickly, and then your skin's just glowing. 24 hours after is beautiful, and even 36 and 48 hours after, you're still gonna have the glowing effects of the microneedling session. And then as you stack the sessions, doing this every 2 weeks or so, you're gonna see more long-term results. You're going to really see all the promised benefits of the serums and from the microneedling itself, which is helping boost collagen production, helping with skin elasticity, really giving you so many wonderful benefits for your skin, to help with anti-aging, to help fight pollutants, to really give your skin exactly what it wants, where it needs it. Now, I have been gifted and have tested quite a few beauty products. I have also had some professional facials done. I have never done a professional microneedling session or Botox or anything more extreme on the professional skincare side. So this very much is my natural skin. I'm in my mid-40s, and without question, this is the best anti-aging product I have gotten to try, and I am truly committed. At this point, I am 6.5 months in, and I will be buying or requesting more gifts of Cure's amazing microinfusion set as long as they keep making this. Give this a try. You're going to love it. I know it seems a little expensive right out the gate, but that is for 6 micro infusion sessions, and it is about the cost of 1 professional session. So just keep that in mind. You are getting a lot in this really fantastic kit, and at the end of your first kit, you're going to truly see a difference. I really stand by that. I think you're going to love this as much as I do. The Cure at Home Microneedling Microinfusion Set.